You know, we are a cricket crazy country. Cricket did not originate in India. Polo originated in India. It was discovered in India, and from India, we took it to the Britishers, took it to all over the world. And so we at Indian Polo Association, now it's our responsibility to take polo to new heights. And that's what we are doing. And you've seen the last few years, polo is becoming more and more popular. It's very, very competitive. Like, you know, this team has been winning, and we've been working very hard to beat achievers. Okay, but it is leadership of Vikram and Parul, and you know, who are unstoppable because they go very much in detail. We are a little bit Hawaii. They go very much in detail and you know, do this. So thank you very much. I'd like to thank the Chilean ambassador Juan Onglo, who was also selected as the best dressed man for helping us with this tournament. They have given us beautiful Chilean wine. And I'd like to thank Gulfstream, Tim Wood, and his team for gifting us the planes and also part sponsoring the tournament. I'd like to thank Mrs. Vinita Jain for giving goodies to all the polo players. And I'd like to thank my mother, Srimati Savita Jindal, who at the age of 75, she just contested an election independently. Independently and won. Everybody during the elections, they had one thing to say, Jai Mata Ki. And I'd like to thank Shalu's mom, Mrs. Oswal, for coming here, Shalu for always supporting me. All the kids and youngsters, I know you have no interest in my speech. You know, you're having a good time there, and that's what I would have also done if I was there. So, again, all the polo players, I know that you've seen that in polo, people put their heart and soul into the game. You know, which other game can you go and meet with the players? And players, after they're done playing, they're so humble. They would meet each and everyone. They would take photo with each and every one of you. So which other sport? So that's why from next year, I'm sure that Indian Open and other polo season also is going to be much more popular, make it much more organized, so you can buy tickets and you can come and watch, etc., because now it's very popular. We have to control because there was 10 times more demand that people wanted to come. But we wanted all of you to have a great experience. So we from Jindal Steel, who have sponsored the tournament, we have gone to great lengths to see that you have a great experience of this match. So thank you very much for coming here and being with us. So please enjoy. It's not over. We are going to give away the main trophy. But I would also request the Honorable Minister Ram Mohan ji to say what is his experience, because this is the first time. This is the first time that he has seen polo. So I'm sure that he would be able to express what he felt. So once again, thank you very much. I would like to thank Brijesh Mathur. Brijesh, thank you for all your guidance, all your support. All our team I'd like to thank who have been working for last 10-15 days. It's not easy to organize the event, you realize after you organize one. But there are lots of hits and lots of misses. So but anyway, we will learn and we will continue to get better. I'd like to thank IPA, Indian Polo Association, the Indian Polo Association and the team there who have worked very hard to not only this tournament, but the entire season. And this is now coming to an end. After this, next week, there's one more tournament, and that comes to end of the polo season in India, because then it gets too hot for the horses. So then so we have to let go of the horses. Okay, Shalu says, stop your speech. Okay. So now I request Ram to say a few words.